In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table in Canva. We'll start right from the Canva homepage so you can follow along step by step. First, log into your Canva account and either open an existing design or create a new one. Any size will work, but it's usually easiest to start with a blank document so you have plenty of space to arrange your table. Once your design is open, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with options like Templates, Elements, and Text. Click on the Elements tab. This is where Canva keeps all kinds of shapes, lines, graphics, and also the building blocks we'll use for our table. Inside Elements, scroll down a little or use the search bar at the top and type in Table. Canva has a dedicated set of table elements that are designed to be dropped straight into your layout. When the results appear, you'll see different table styles and layouts. Choose one that roughly matches the number of rows and columns you think you'll need. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet. You can adjust it later. Click on the table you like, and it will automatically appear on your canvas. From here, you can click and drag the corners to resize it so it fits your page. If you want to move it, just click anywhere on the table and drag it into position, maybe centered on the page, or aligned with other elements in your design. Now, let's customize it. Click inside any cell to start typing your text, such as headings at the top row and information in the rows below. Use the toolbar at the top of the screen to change the font, size, color, and alignment, just like you would with normal text in Canva. This is a good time to make your header row stand out with a bold font or a different color. To adjust the structure of the table, look for the options that appear when the table is selected. You can usually add or remove rows and columns, and drag the borders between cells to make some columns wider or narrower. Take a moment to tweak the spacing so your content looks balanced and easy to read. When you're happy with how your table looks, you're done. You've created a clean, customized table in Canva that you can now reuse, duplicate, or adapt for future designs.